Hi friends, this is Sagarika from Step Up English, extending a very warm welcome to all of my viewers on YouTube. Today's video is on beach idioms with practice lessons. With all that being said, let's get started with today's video. A beach bunny, meaning a woman who enjoys spending time on the beach. Usage. Now that summer is approaching, I intend to become a beach bunny. Like a beached whale, meaning unable to move or escape from a situation. Reference to an obese person, generally in the form of a slang. Usage. It's summer and Mira has been working out consistently to avoid looking like a beached whale on the beach of Florida. To swim against the tide, meaning to do or say that is opposed to the existing opinion. Usage. Starting a school for girls in this village did not come easy. We had to swim against the tide before we received an approval from the panchayat. To swim with the tide, meaning to agree with prevailing opinion. Usage. As I had no option, I chose to swim with the tide to appease my family on the choice of selecting a suitor for myself. Life's a beach, meaning an idiomatic expression to express when one's life is going really well. Usage. With a hefty promotion and double bonus received last year, Nilima's life is a beach, said her mother. Bury one's head in the sand, meaning to ignore a situation by pretending that it does not exist. Usage. Complaints on bullying and ragging have been pouring in, yet the administration has been burying its head in the sand, thus triggering the students' union to call for a protest, said a student. To have a whale of a time, meaning have an enjoyable experience. Usage. My friends and I had a whale of a time in Chile. To swim with sharks, meaning to spend time with cunning and dangerous people. Usage. Sid was warned to stay away from Jay and his friends, but he chose to swim with the sharks. There are plenty of pebbles on the beach, meaning availability of suitable people, opportunities or things in life. Usage. I am disappointed that I couldn't get admission in this college, but my parents reminded me that there are plenty of pebbles on the beach. To crawl into one's shell, meaning to retreat oneself from undesirable interactions with people or situation. Usage. Sonia has the tendency to crawl into her shell whenever she is asked to make a presentation to a large audience. To make waves, meaning Bring about change in a situation by doing things in such a way that disturbs some people. Create a controversy. Shock or upset people. This expression alludes to the turbulence in the water. Usage. A well-known Hollywood celebrity chef is known to make waves within the industry to garner attention on himself. A beach bum, meaning refers to an individual who loves to spend time on the beach. Usage. Benson is a beach bum. Keep something at bay, meaning to keep somebody or something at a distance to prevent from getting harmed. Usage. Regular exercise and balanced diet will keep illnesses at bay, said the doctor. Practice lessons. I got to lose few pounds before summer sets in. I'm going to spend a lot of my time as a beach bunny on the beaches of Florida, said Sally. Life never was a beach for me ever since I lost my job, said Jolly. Regular spraying of pesticides can keep pests at bay. Harish's decision to renounce family business and privileges made waves within the elite society. There are plenty of pebbles on the beach. You could adopt any dog in the near future. Why continue mourning the death of your beloved dog Archie? Anand is a beach bum. He enjoys spending time on the beach whenever vacationing in Goa. To make waves has become a necessary PR stunt for newcomers to stay in the spotlight within the entertainment industry. The fences were erected around the village to keep the wild elephants at bay. Had it not been for the quick arrival of the tow service, my friends and I would have been stranded on the highway in a car like a beached whale for hours on end. Ray was heartbroken when he learned that he couldn't obtain a seat in one of the reputed engineering colleges. However, his parents advised him that there are plenty of pebbles on the beach, and so he shouldn't feel hopeless. With the divorce of his parents, life hasn't been a beach for Jay. Sally is an extrovert, unlike her sister Jen, who crawls into her shell at parties. The previous team leader was dismissed because of his attitude that wasn't suitable to lead the team. He would crawl into his shell whenever he was asked to make major decisions for the team. The four-wheeler got stuck in the sand while racing on the desert. We were stranded like a beached whale. Mohan the rat Fink swam with sharks for several months as an undercover to gather information on the gang's illegal business activities. This is how he helped the law enforcement department to nab the notorious gang. Stop pretending that everything is fine between you and your business partner. Burying your head in the sand will cause more friction Therefore, take charge and dissolve unpleasant matters at the earliest, advised Mona to her sister. Anita and her friends had a whale of a time at the dance party. Maya was always known to be a good egg until she started to swim with sharks who had a bad influence on her and thus transforming her into a notorious human being. You've got to face reality sooner or later, so stop burying your head in the sand, said Sheila. We had a whale of a time in Brazil, said Nisha. I am happy to swim with the tide because it's an easy option, said Meera. I am not rebellious. However, I had to swim against the tide in order to oppose the opinion of my family related to my marriage that was being fixed without my consent, said Mary. My siblings and I usually swim with the tide. We agree with the decisions made by the elders in the family.